Want to share your calendar with others but don't want to share everything in your calendar? All you need to do is to create an additional one, and you can create as many of these as you want. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer trainer, here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday programs to make life that little bit easier. First thing I need to do is move my video out the way because of course it's hiding the bit that I need. Here on the left hand side in the calendars I've got the ones that I've already wanted, and you'll notice that under my calendars there's no plus sign. It's actually lower down the section other calendars that gives you the option to add more calendars in, and when I click on the plus sign next to it you can see the second option in that sublist is create new calendar. Clicking on that, it asks me for a name, so how about one course training sessions. Of course I can type in a description, which can be quite useful if you're sharing it with others and the calendar name is not as obvious. Maybe it's an acronym or something. And the time zone, depending on who you are working with, you might want to consider which time zone is going to work best for everybody, and remember that does include you as well. I'm happy with leaving it pretty blank. All I'm going to do is click create calendar at the bottom. You can see it then says the creation is in progress, and suddenly I get a message saying it's all done. It appears over on my left hand side, and all I need to do is in the top left hand corner click on that back arrow next to settings to return to, and there it is. And that's all done. I can now go ahead and add information into the relevant calendar, ready to share it. If you like this tip, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified as new videos are added. And I will see you next time.